Hello there! Today I will show you how to change the pot of Venus flytrap. Look at this. Yeah, it's look miserable because our Venus flytrap doing hibernation to survive winter. It looks dead, but you shouldn't lose the hope. And the best timing for the exchange pot is January and February because of hibernation the roots fall asleep, and that's the good timing for the changed pot. Alright, let's get started.
Prepare soil by soaking dried orchid moss in water for at least 24 hours. The terrifying predator's hideout is complete.
At first, I'm gonna take this old soil very gently. Try to not damage the roots. Okay. Take away this. Oh, this roots looks good. I mean moss. Okay. Oh, okay. It's from the gardening store. The roots stuck in the cottons. That's not good. I go and wash off. Alright. I washed off the soils and the baby pot. And then here is the moss. This is the perfect for the carnivore plant soil. And I put the pivots in the pot for the new one. Take a little bit. This is trash. And then roll it. Then mix sandwiches. Looks good. Yeah. Then fill the moss in here. Alright. Perfect amount. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. 야배. Don't tell anyone. And look at this. Yeah, little bit off center, but it's good enough. I'm gonna trim all the leaf and just wait for the spring.